Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can actually change the QE scale in Minecraft. So first of all, I'm using 1.19.3 version of Minecraft, and this video will help you in any kind of Minecraft that you are using, so make sure that you will watch this video until the end. So let's go to our single player world and let's go to any kind of words in Minecraft that you are using, and that's so you can see the difference by what I mean with the GUI scale. So after I open this word, let's make the time, okay, slash time set day, set day, slash time query day, and just like that. I will do this as well, day, like so, and just like that, time will be set to 0. Now what we will have to do is basically just go in your settings. But first let me show you how my UI is looking. So it's really small, really far away from my eyes, so I really liked it that way. I don't really like to see it very big in my screen. It's taking a lot of my screen, especially if you have like a small screen. It will really be annoying because you won't be able to see all your map, all your buildings, and it will be hard for you to play the game with a big UI scaling. So what you have to do is click on your settings, go to options. For those who have a problem with this POV, you can change it from here. I really don't like it really close. I really like to keep it far away from me. Something like that is really comfortable for me. And also what you have to do, go to video settings, and from here you can change the GUI scale. For example, this one will be so close, like this area is so close for me. Options, video setting, this one is also more closer, and this one will be auto. It depends on your screen, and also there is this one which is really